Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rap to Fab. So today I'm going to create this look right here, which is very glam yet classy and easy. So if you want to know how, then stay tuned. But before that, if you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's starting with the moisturizer, and here I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer, all time favorite.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
I'm using Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Illuminator, and I'm using this product for the first time, so let's see how does it works. So at first I tried to blend this out with a beauty blender, but it does not work well with the beauty blender, but then it blended well using my fingers. So this is how it's looking right now. Let's see how does it appear after applying the foundation. So up next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to hide my dark spots. Now just to highlight little more, I'm using another layer of concealer which is also from Maybelline in the name Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Fair. Oh my god, I used this concealer today for the very first time, but this concealer is super high coverage, and you can clearly see how different my face is looking from this concealer to this concealer. It's completely more on the whiter side. I guess the shade is lighter for me. Anyways, moving on to baking. So for that, I'm using again from Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light 15. So basically I'm not baking today, I'm just setting my face wherever I applied this concealer, because it's already too much white today because of that concealer, so I'm avoiding baking. I'm using NYX setting spray to set my face. All the first I'm just combing my brows upwards, and then I will fill my brows and then move on to the rest of the face. Fill my brows, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and taking that brown shade from the palette, angular brush to fill in the gaps. All I'm doing is pushing the product upwards with very light hand. And then I'm just combing my brows downwards and filling the sparse area of the upper line. Just follow your natural line. And again combing back. Moving on to face. For bronzing, I'm using Maybelline Master Contour Palette and taking that bronzier shade. Now for the blush, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and it's illuminated blush.
fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
I like to apply it all over my nose also. And obviously blush is the fastest fading product, so don't worry, apply as much you want to blush. All over my nose, cheeks, temples, chin. Yeah. And now I'm using another blush, and this is from Biotic in the shade Coral because I needed some extra blush. Highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I definitely didn't like that Swiss Beauty Illuminator because it's barely seen, you can't even see where it has faded, and it's also more on the chalkier side, so I personally didn't like that product. And also I feel because of that my face is looking more on the darker side today. Guys, I'm using the same palette from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this shade right here for my crease as well as transition. Dust off the excess always, and go in a circular strokes and back and forth. And I'm just going on adding the same color until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation. I'm also going with the same shade in my lower lash line. I'm using this orange coral shade only on the outer corners as well as on the crease very slightly, and I will keep this look up to this only because I want it to be very classy, simple and yet very easy. So I'm just focusing this shade right here and little bit on the crease, again in the circular motion and then back and forth. Keep on adding little by little until you are satisfied with the pigmentation, and always dust off the excess just like that. Also taking the same shade on my lower lash line, halfway again. And just lastly, I'm using this white kind of shade, and with the help of my fingertips I'm just going to place it towards the inner side of my eyes, just slightly like a cut crease, and I'm just sliding the shade like this just to have more clear in the inner corners. I'm again using the same highlighter from Wet n Wild and just highlighting my inner eye corners and underneath my brows. I'm just going to create a very small straight wing liner, and this is, I don't know the brand name, it's just written 36-hour eyeliner. So I'm just going to create a wing liner. So I'm done with my wing liner, and you are not always lucky creating a wing liner. As you can see, my this side is much more better than my left eye, but that's how it goes. So I will be right back after applying some false lashes. So this mascara is from Maybelline Hyper Curl. So now my lashes are on and it's super dramatic. And next I'm just going to lip line, and for that I'm using PAC lip liner in the shade Mauve. On top of this I'm using Nykaa lip crayon in the shade Lacy Luck, and it's almost dead. I pretty love this shade. I will definitely repurchase it now as the sale is also going on. Watching, and if you all like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and wish you all a Merry Christmas.